Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we'll make a custom stop sign. I had a customer who's a shift worker, and what they wanted to do is have a sign on their door, because every time somebody knocked on the door, the dog would start barking and wake them up, because a lot of time they work at nights and odd hours. So a stop sign like this here is something that they could just put right on their door. That's why you see the hole here. They have a wooden door, so this will just be a nail they have in the door, and they just hang this up when they need it. It's a Lamacoid, and so there's no paint involved. And as you can see here, it's white with a red coating over the Lamacoid. So when we do the laser engraving on this, what we're really doing is vaporizing off the red and revealing the core that is white. Now there are definitely some advantages to doing this sign out of Lamacoid over any other material. For instance, we could have made this out of stainless steel, but the weight of something like this, even at 1/8 inch thick, would probably be about 5 pounds, which is kind of heavy to hang on a door. And of course, when you open and close the door, it will just fall down, and it's very expensive. Another option would have been to make this out of wood, and with that it could have been plywood all the way through to live edge wood up to 3 inches thick. Again, overkill for the job. Would also require an extra step, which is actually painting of the red. Another material option we could have done out of the glass, but the visibility isn't the best. So Lamacoid, just by deductive reasoning, was definitely the best option to make this custom stop sign. Now as for the resolution, it's very high resolution, and it's not UV printed, it's actually laser engraved. So it's probably hard to see here, but it's actually engraved into it. So even if there's shadows or some reflection, as you can see, it's still clearly visible. And you definitely cannot miss this sign because it's a really striking red. When it comes to Lamacoids, there's a lot of different options and color choices. So if they wanted, let's say, a yellow sign with black writing or vice versa, whatever size, whatever shape they wanted, that was totally possible as well. So if you're looking for a custom sign to hang on your door, hang anywhere in the house, or if you have industrial machinery that you want to make sure the customer or the employee sees before they actually use the work, or like a lockout or that kind of system, contact me at CNCKing.com, and we can make all your custom signage, any size, any shape, any material, any design.